I'm Beth Hendler-Grunt, and I'm excited to tell you about my new book, The Next Great Step, The Parent's Guide to Launching Your New Grad into a Career. I wrote this book because I have spoken with hundreds of parents who want to see their child achieve career success after college, but are not sure how to guide them. Many of you have not looked for a job in over 20 years. This is the solution to what you are looking for. The competition for finding a job after college can be fierce, and the straightforward college to employment pipeline that we followed no longer exists. When the internship doesn't happen or graduation is nearing and your young adult hasn't figured out their career or job search strategy, now what? I understand, because I've been there with my own children and the hundreds of others I've helped over the past 20 plus years. This book helps you as a parent to guide your child land the job they desire. The Next Great Step book shares what parents are concerned about for their new grads, what your students are thinking about in the job search, and what employers expect when hiring a candidate. This book shares our proven, simple, step-by-step approach that shows what it takes for your grad to land their first internship, job, and beyond. 90% of our clients land the job they deserve. This book is filled with tips, job aids, and insightful stories about how to successfully guide young adults entering the workplace. The Next Great Step book is required reading for every parent looking to help their student bridge the gap from college to the real world. Thank you for supporting this book. Please let me know what you think and if this book provided value in launching the young adult in your life by leaving a review on Amazon.